Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the 6.5 quart deep frying pan. It is non-stick and I am so in love with it. It looks so amazing and gorgeous. It's by the brand CAROTE and it is the color cream white. They also have a darker color available as well, and this is what it looks like. Look at these finishes. I am absolutely in awe of how pretty it is. I really love the wooden kind of look. And of course, it has this huge top right here with that perfect handle. I literally cannot stress this enough, you guys. It is gorgeous. It is such a nice deep pan, so makes frying so much easier. There's no splashing as well. Notice that there's spouts on both sides, which makes pouring easy no matter if you're a lefty or a righty. I'm a righty, so I'm gonna grip the handle with this side and the other with my left hand. Makes it pouring out anything that's inside so much easier, you guys. I definitely recommend this. It is an amazing product, you guys. Go cook something delicious in your CAROTE 6.5 quart deep frying pan. It is also non-stick, so I'm definitely going to be making so much food in this. Gotta go cook. Bye.